Here's a little snippet of an example of why apparel artists need to work in RGB. So when you get a file from a customer and they send it to you and it's in CMYK, they've already converted the artwork into what they see on their screen, and that's fine, but they may not be paying attention to the colors in the artwork. They just work in RGB, and then all of a sudden they convert it because they think printers need CMYK. So they convert it, and then their artwork may end up looking like this. So that's a purple. Used to be a blue, like a reflex blue, some kind of purpley blue. But when you're matching with a Pantone color, it should be out of your Pantone book, and you're looking at the Pantone book and you're ending up with a color that's closer to a 286. 293 is a good color. It's got a little bit more purple in it though, so like 2736 is more ideal. If I am matching this color and then we print and I pick another Pantone color, I'm picking more of a purple color, right? And that ends up, we print it on the shirt and the color's a little off. So the customer's like, oh, wow, that's not really what I saw on screen. Well, this is why. So it's a good example. Work in RGB, and in the color space, work in Adobe or Apple RGB. Not that S. Don't use sRGB because that's like a standard cross-platform generic. It has less color vibrancy in it. It's stripped out to be more universal to work on other things, and in print we want to pick with our colors in Adobe RGB or Apple RGB, and I'll show you that why that later.